Meaning of David and Goliath.
David and Goliath.
David and Goliath.
David and Goliath.
David and Goliath. David and Goliath is a biblical story that symbolizes an underdog's victory over a stronger opponent. It depicts the encounter between a young shepherd boy named David and a giant Philistine warrior named Goliath. Despite being heavily outweighed and outmatched in weaponry, David showed courage and used his wits to defeat Goliath, eventually striking him down with a stone from his sling. This story has since become a popular metaphor for an unlikely victory or success achieved against all odds.